Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix photo swipe not working on TikTok. If you want to add multiple photos to your TikTok videos, but the photo swipe feature is not showing up or it's not working at all, what you have to do is to go over to your TikTok profile, click on this three line, which is in the top right corner. A screen like this will pop up. Click on setting and privacy. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you can see this free up space option. Click on it. Here you can see cache. Clear the cache files and the downloads here. If you have a lot of cache or download in your app, that can cause some bugs or other issues, so delete both cache files and downloads. Now heading toward other solution, open your Google Play Store or App Store and in the search bar, search for TikTok. Just make sure you don't have any pending updates in here. If you see an update button, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. After you update it, open your TikTok and check if this solves your problem. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.